of you boys and girls of 7th class. See, it was a practice, it was a custom that our school has been practicing, that each and every student is given, not each and everyone, only the leader for 1 week. A student is appointed 1 week for English inspector. This badge will be given to them. Okay, the boy or girl for that week has to look after in the class how many of you are speaking in Telugu and English. You must inspect them, you must guide them, you must give directions not to speak in Telugu and encourage them try to speak in English. So this badge will be awarded to each and everyone every week. Okay, so let us try to participate in this and make this English in the campus, the program, successful with your cooperation. Okay, so I am going to announce for this day, this week, leader for English is English. I am going to announce Arshia. Arshia, English inspector for this week. I award this back. She can speak English and give you encouragement for all that time 1 week. Okay, I am presenting this badge to Arshia for this week. English inspector. Okay, right. Clap. Thank you. So every week you will be holding this badge. You are seen, okay, holding this, okay, and move all the time, morning to evening, and observe from your class only. Observe who are boys or girls or who are talking in Telugu, who are talking English. You need to have some idea about them 1 week and give at the end of the week your idea, your observation, who really following this concept in the campus, who are not following. There is no punishment for anyone who speaks in Telugu, but it is given to you. Make it serious because you are all studying in English medium. So we want to encourage you speak in English. For that only we have adapted this system. Okay, thank you very much, children, for listening it, for following it up. Thank you very much.
కూడా నిద్రపోతున్నాడు
Okay, this is time to ask you question and answers as I informed you yesterday. So are you ready for OT in the class?
Yes, sir.
Right. I will first ask Tejaswini. Tell me the first question. Let me ask the first question. This is there is a scanty visitation in the deserts.
Yes, it is a true statement that there is a scanty vegetation in the desert. Due to extreme hot conditions, the rainfall is received less in these areas. That led to the vegetation sparse. Only desert plants grow here, but that takes minerals from the ground at 6 months and survive in these conditions.
The question is, people of the desert Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. Why?
Yes, it is also a true statement that the people of Sahara Desert wore heavy robes as they protect against dust storms and hot winds. The robes keeps them cool and comfort.
Now I am going to ask two questions at once from this lesson, Life of the Deserts. Sushma. Now the first question is, there is a scanty vegetation in the deserts. Give me your support.
Yes, it is also a true statement that there is a scanty vegetation in deserts due to extreme hot conditions. Rainfall receives less in these areas.
Right. Second one, people of the Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. Why?
Yes, it is also a true statement. People of Sahara Desert wear heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot winds. The robes keep them comfort and cool.
Right, Kavya, let me know the desert conditions, okay, by giving answer for the question I am going to ask you. Why there is a scanty vegetation in the deserts?
Yes, it is a true statement that this is a vegetation in the desert. Due to extreme hot conditions, the rainfall is received less in their areas. That led to vegetation sparse. Only desert plants grow here that take minerals from the ground in 1 to 6 months and survive in these conditions.